How to fix Xbox 360 profile not downloading. 1. Connect your Xbox 360 console with another internet connection, if available. 2. Delete the affected Xbox profile. 3. Clear cache. Hint, power off your console and unplug the power cord from the Xbox One console later. 4. Change your avatar. 5. Restore your network settings to default. Path, settings, system settings, network settings, your network additional settings, restore to factory defaults option. 6. Turn off recurring billing. 7. Check your Xbox storage disk.